Subprocess.Popen shell equals true to shell equals false. I know that it is bad practice to use shell equals true for subprocesses. However, for this line of code, I'm not sure how to execute it with shell equals false. Where the command I want to run is where file underscore name is /path/ to /file.log.
You can't directly use piping in the command the way you do with shell equals true, but it's easy to adapt. That opens the file at the Python level for binary append, and passes it as the stout for the subprocess.
Only shell mode supports inline piping operators, so you'll need to do the redirection manually. Also, you'll need to split your command line into individual arguments, which you can either do manually or have the Schlex module do for you.
If you want